to say, it's gotta be one of the best purchases I've ever made for this car. I have tried a couple of the maps. Honestly, my favorite one thus far is the Mugen intake header exhaust map. The S2000 Plus map was alright. The Toda map, all top end was gone. But the difference I found between the S2000 map and the intake header exhaust map is VTEC pulls very noticeably freaking harder, bro. It is insane. As a matter of fact, the other day I ran into a Huracan Performante, and of course, y'all know me, I won. As a matter, this base map added so much torque. The chassis twisted coming off the line, bro. Yeah. Woo. What's up with all this stuff on the freaking ground? Woo! 8,500 RPMs now, by the way. Oh my gosh. Golly. It pulls so hard. And you know what's crazy? This is gonna sound so dumb, but you know what else I noticed with this little base map I threw on here? Yo, when I shut the AC off, it genuinely feels like a 20 horsepower difference. I've been having trouble banging second gear lately, so I ain't trying to smash it in right there. Always trying to get me with them potholes. I'm gonna try to bang second this time again. Woo! I'll consider that a success. Dang, I wanted to get a run-in with that RT. Show them what's what. What I'll say is this, man. If you have a Honda that is HONDATA compatible, bruh, spend the $850, bro.